How to fade background in Google Slides. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Slides on your device and then click the background of the slide you want to fade. After you've clicked on the background, you will find this kind of screen. At the top, click on Format Options. After you click on Format Options here, expand adjustment, and then you'll find opacity. Decrease opacity as how much you want to fade. After you do this, drag the image down and click on background at the top. Here, choose the color of the image and then press on done. After you've done that, drag the image back up again and you're good to go. This is how to fade background in Google Slides. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.